Want more cars in your bays and loyal customers who keep coming back? Here's how. Start with your Google business profile. Make sure your info matches everywhere, add photos weekly, and post updates. This alone can put you in the top 3 when people search car wash near me. Next, run smart local ads. Use Google to target drivers already searching. Use Facebook and Instagram to show quick, satisfying videos. Keep it local, within 3 to 5 miles. Social media doesn't need to be complicated. Short reels of the wash process work best. Add local hashtags and repost customer content. Your site needs to work on mobile. Clear pricing, reviews at the top, and one-tap booking. Think speed and simplicity. Loyalty programs make your revenue steady. Offer unlimited monthly plans, reward referrals, and send birthday or seasonal promos. Track calls, bookings, and memberships. Double down on what works. And if you'd like a team to handle all this for you, MarketinGear is here to help. Tap below to book your free strategy call today.